Okay, so we're coming on the end of our work with quarter notes, half notes, and eighth notes, as well as time signatures. So what we're going to do today is the same thing that we did yesterday. We're going to be identifying quarter notes, half notes, or eighth notes. Maybe there'll be a dotted half note in there somewhere. And we're going to be working with the time signature of 3/4. So you need a scrap of paper. You need something to write down your little doodles of rhythm here. And we'll go through a handful of examples. I'm going to maybe do this one a little bit more consistently than last time in terms of tapping out the beat for the first exercises. And then for later exercises, I'm not going to tap out the beat. Okay, so here we have a quarter note and then 4 eighth notes. And then let's finish with a quarter note. So we're going 1, 2, and 3, and 1. This one's basically the reverse. We're going to be doing eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4 eighth notes, and then we finish with a quarter note. Tapping that with the beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and... This excerpt starts with a quarter note, then it has 4 eighth notes, and then it has 1 quarter note to finish. So we're going, if you did a half note or something, that's fine too. So we're going to go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Okay, so for this one, we started with eighth notes, 2 eighth notes, and then quarter, quarter. Now this is a longer excerpt, but the second half is the same. Eighth, eighth, quarter, quarter. So all together, 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. So for this one, we're going through 2 eighth notes, quarter, quarter, then another 2 eighth notes, quarter, quarter. Again, a nice symmetrical repetitive pattern, even though there's more notes here. 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. Let's do one more. For this one, we're going quarter, eighth, 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 quarter. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. However you decided to end that last one, if you did a half note or something, that would have been fine too.